Hi garden friends, happy Sunday. So today I'm working with a wooden box and it's a rectangle box. And oh gosh, I've had it for years. It was given to me by a friend and she gave me several of them and I still have them all. They just last so long and I feel that wooden boxes and succulents look so beautiful together. It's like a match made in heaven. It's like this rustic look that I just really love. And I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have this beautiful Haworthia Cooperi. Check that out, and check out that pink hue that it's giving. And that means that I have underwatered it and it's stressed, quote unquote stressed. And this is what happens when succulents either get too much sun or underwater. They turn all these pretty colors. I don't recommend that you do this on purpose though, because your succulents will perform a lot better if you water them properly. That's for sure. But I mean, sometimes they do this and you kind of want to do it on purpose, right? I mean, check it out. That is gorgeous. And look how many pups it has around. So this is a pup here. So that's one pup, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, 15 pups. Isn't that amazing? Haworthia Cooperi. Beautiful succulent. I've got a Corpuscularia Lehmannii ice plant, and if I bring it a little closer, you'll see that the leaves are wrinkled. You see those wrinkles? When succulents are thirsty, that's the sign that they show. Their little leaves start to get wrinkled. So very important to see the signs when your succulents need watering. So this one definitely needs watering. So once I water it, the leaves will become smooth again. Isn't that awesome? They kind of tell you what they need. So this is Lehmannii ice plant. I have an Echeveria, a pink one to match that Haworthia. This is a dusty rose. Check that out. How beautiful is that? Very wide, thick leaves this one has. And I've had this one Echeveria like for years. 4 years I've kept it alive. And it's given me lots of pups from leaf propagation, and these tend to get super big. It used to be super big, but I have propagated. I've taken a lot of leaves off to get more babies out of her. Echeveria Dusty Rose. I've got 4 of these beautiful Graptoveria Moonglows just to use as filler plants. And the last plant that I have is Senecio String of Pearls. Look at that. And it's got some little tails going on right here. Very pretty. And let's get going with this arrangement. And I will fill it up with succulent soil all the way up. And if you didn't see, this box here has 3 drainage holes. All right. There we go. That'll be enough for now. And I'll start with my Lehmannii ice plant. And I'll put it in this corner here. When it comes to like rectangle or square shapes, I always start in the corner. And then I work my way out, if that makes any sense. And this one's a little wild. And look at those roots. Jeez. This one really needs water. Okay, and I will stick those roots right in there. And I'm going to kind of let it fall wherever it wants to fall. Hopefully it won't fall like forward, but to the side. Okay, that's good. That's good, I like that. You got to let it do its natural thing, right? I'm making sure that that root ball is all the way in there. Okay, perfect. And now I should add the Haworthia. And let's see. Let me get those roots. And they have very fragile, shallow roots. But let me see how I should put it here. I think I should put it like that. Yeah, that'll look good. So let me make my little well here, right by it. And I'll kind of nestle it in there. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'll try to press on that soil there so it can kind of stay put just there. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll add a little bit more soil here. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. And over here in America, it's a long weekend. It's a 4-day weekend because it's President's Day. Or 3-day weekend, I should say. Yeah, 3-day weekend because it's President's Day. Tomorrow, Monday. So that's always good, right? Let's see, what should I do now? Now I should definitely think about putting the string of pearls. Oh, man. Let's see if I can fit all of these plants. That's always like my challenge. How many plants can I fit in one pot? All right, so now that I have this one here, I kind of want the tails to fall over here into this corner. So let's see what I can do here. I'm going to kind of get those root balls all together in one and try my best to just kind of nestle it in there. And it doesn't look like much right now, but once it really starts to grow, it'll start filling out that little corner there that I want it to fill. Just like that. Okay, so I still have this dusty rose that I really, really want to use. Oh, darn it. I really want to fit it here. And I think that I will try. I will try. And I'm going to grab the bottom of my brush here and make a well that's deep enough, because that stem on it is nice and long. You see how it's nice and long there? And I'm going to try and fit it in. This is a challenge. This is going to be a challenge. And I'm going to try and nestle it in this corner here. I'm going to move on to this side here. And kind of press it down as much as I can. Ooh, okay. I think I pulled it off. And I'm going to add more soil around it because that whole stem didn't completely go in. And that's fine. I don't mind if a little stem is showing, but I will add more soil to it for sure. Oh, okay. That looks pretty. That looks pretty. I mean, you can't really go wrong, seriously. Okay. And now for the filler plants, which are the Graptoverias. So let's see where I can put those. So for sure, one right here. And let's see, I'll put a bigger one right over here, and I'll use my knitting needle to make that well there. And kind of snug this one in there. Okay. All right. And even though it's a little deep in there, it's okay. I can still see it. And I'll put another one right here in the center. Right there. And then another one right here. Not bad at all. Oh, that worked out. Oh, yes, that did work out. I'm glad it did. All right. So cute. Alright, so now that I'm done with those Graptoverias, and even though I couldn't fit that last fourth one, it's okay. It's time for my stones now. So I will clean up a bit. I'll kind of dust the rim off right here with my little blush brush that I use for gardening. Here we go. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love it. See, do you see what I mean by it gives it like that rustic look, the wood and the succulents? Oh, just love it. Can't get enough. I really, really have to learn how to make these boxes. Not really a woodworker, but gosh. I'll learn just to have, you know, more of them. Okay. Perfect. All right. And now for my stones here. And I don't have a lot of space to fill, but I can see some soil here, and it'll just complete the look. It will really, really make it stand out with the stones in place. But hey, that's just me. That's how I make my arrangements. And I like to add like more earthy color stones. I'm not really into like the enhanced stones that are like pink or like all white. No, I like it to have like several colors. It's just, it makes a difference, you know? But hey, that's just a style that I like. I'm not saying that, you know, the other color stones are, you know, that they look ugly. No, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Everyone has their own style, for sure. And you never know, maybe I'll, you know, get myself some pink stones. And work with those. You know what? I see a lot of little roots here that are not in the soil, that I really can't get in the soil, but I will try with my knitting needle here. I kind of want to cut them off, and it won't hurt the plant, but I guess I'll just dig them in there. Alright, it's that one that's really bothering me, so let me get it in there. Okay, that seemed to work. Not bad. Alright, so keep moving on with my stones here. And it's really the back here with the ice plant that I need to add the stones to. Oh, but what a fun arrangement on such a beautiful Sunday. Oh, but honestly, every day is beautiful if you wake up, right? Why not enjoy the day that you have? Because you never know if tomorrow will come, right? That's the mystery. So I'll try to live my day fully every single day. And I see a little bit here that I can cover here. But yeah, doesn't it make a difference even though you can't really see them? You know, but if you were to see it in person, you would see the difference between not having the stones and having the stones, for sure. Makes it look complete. And I've said that over and over again. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? I am so in love. with this arrangement. I love how it came out. So pretty. So I'll try to lift it up a bit here so you can see it a little more up close. Oh my goodness. I just love it. I love how wild that Lehmannii is, and it's just going to keep getting more and more wild. Oh, I hope that you enjoyed the succulent arrangement, the making of it, and I guess until the next planting. And if you have nothing to do on this Sunday afternoon, why not go to a nursery and grab some succulents and make an arrangement, right? It'll make you feel a lot better. Well, until next time, happy planting, garden friends. Bye.